Today we are making an Aries punch because it is now Aries season. This is a take on a strawberry margarita with a little spice because if you know Aries, they have a little spice to them. My name is Alyena and welcome to my kitchen. Aries are the cardinal fire sign. They're known to be bold and passionate, and they're symbolized by the color red. So of course our punch has to be red and it's going to be bold in flavors. So the first strong flavor we have going in is our strawberry, as this is a take on a strawberry margarita. To make your strawberry puree, just buy 2 cartons of strawberries, wash them, cut off the ends, and then blend them all together. This is optional, but I like to strain my strawberry puree so I don't have all those seeds in it. But if you don't care, you don't have to. And you're going to want anywhere from 3 to 4 cups of your strawberry puree. And I have to say, making your own strawberry puree adds such amazing flavor to the drink. And this is about 14 cups total, so you're going to need a fairly decent sized punch bowl. As this is a very fruity and tropical punch, I have just 2 cups of pineapple juice. I juiced my own pineapple juice and then strained it to get all the froth off. But of course you can use store-bought. I just find using fresh ingredients, and if you're juicing it yourself, it adds so much more flavor to the drink and it's a bit healthier for you. So here's 2 cups of pineapple going in. And I also have 1 cup of lime juice just to add some acidity and brighten the drink. And you can't have a margarita without lime juice. And since it's margarita themed, we have some triple sec. This is just an orange liqueur. And here's a 3/4 cup of triple sec going in, as well as some tequila. And I'm going to add 2 cups of tequila to my punch, but as always, you can add or subtract the alcohol level to your liking. So here's 2 cups of tequila going in. And you can either add sparkling water like Topo Chico, you can use soda, but if you know me, you know I love my champagne. So I'm going to add 1 bottle of champagne just to add a bubbly element and as well as a little bit of sweetness. Woo, there we go. All right, and 1 bottle of champagne going in. And since Aries are a little spicy, I just made a mixture of salt, cayenne pepper, and chili powder. So it has a little heat and we're going to rim our glasses with it. So I like to just take a lime, run it around the edge, and then we can dip it into our salty and spicy mixture. And now I'm just going to give this a final stir and then we can pour ourselves a glass. But of course, you need some ice. So I'm gonna throw some ice in here. There it goes. And now it is time to taste our punch. That is so delicious. You get the heat from the cayenne and the chili powder, but then that fresh strawberry comes through and it's perfectly sweet, but not overly so. So I have to say, the Aries punch is a win. But you're gonna have to check back next month because we are doing Taurus. And I can't wait for June for the Geminis. So if you'd like to see some more of my punch and cocktail recipes, there should be a playlist right here or over here. Thank you so much for watching and happy birthday to all my Aries. Cheers!